आप फेवरेट जीके। यहाँ की हर लेन या तो किसी डिजाइनर बुटीक की तरफ जाती है या किसी क्लासी कैफे की तरफ। यहाँ की वाइब थोड़ी सोफिस्टिकेटेड है, थोड़ी क्लासी है, बट टोटली इंस्टाग्राम वर्दी। लेकिन आज मैं यहाँ किसी क्लासी कैफे या किसी फैशन बुटीक में जाने के लिए नहीं आई हूँ। मैं आई हूँ एक ऐसी स्पेस में जहाँ अरोमा है और थोड़ा सा मैजिक। तो चलिए लेकर चलती हूँ आपको एक मैजिकल एक्सपीरियंस पर। कम
वाटरमेलन है, अच्छा स्मैश कर दो।
And apply it
नो
directly?
नो मैं बताएंगे।
अच्छा।
ये बहुत अच्छा है स्किन के लिए, ठीक है।
तो मेरा स्किन ग्लो करने लगेगा।
और ज़रूर, आपका ब्यूटीफुल स्किन ऑलरेडी।
तो आज अरोमा मैजिक के प्रोडक्ट्स मुझ पे ट्राई हो रहे हैं, वो भी डॉक्टर ब्लॉसम कोचर से। वाह। अरोमा मैजिक बाय ब्लॉसम कोचर। ब्यूटी इंडस्ट्री का ये नाम शायद ही कोई ऐसा होगा जिसने कभी नहीं सुना होगा। ये जर्नी 90s में शुरू हुई और आज भी एक टाइमलेस एनर्जी की तरह हमारे साथ है। तो चलिए मिलते हैं उनसे जो है इस विजन के पीछे, डॉक्टर ब्लॉसम कोचर। कम।
I grew up in this natural. My parents were from the coffee plantations, and I grew up with nature and lovely, greenery, aromas, flowers, everything else. I was very scared for an exam, I remember, and she came and gave me some jari booty type. I smelled it and I was like, "Ye kya hai?" And then I found, but I was so relaxed. She had given me lemon verbena in my hand. So that was a very relaxing. So in the Nilgiris, you have full of oils. What happened when I started this theory that everything has to be as natural, because when you make an aromatherapy product, I cannot use chemicals in it,
True.
Because my oils have to be vegetable, my emulsifiers have to be vegetable, any waxes I have to be vegetable waxes. The preservatives, there were no other kind, PEG and others. We had to have the vegetable preservative. We had to have real natural preservatives. And the color had to be natural in aroma. And the perfume was natural. It was aromatherapy.
So, could you please tell me what was the first product that you curated?
The first product I curated was an almond nourishing cream, and I did it from the kitchen.
And do you have that product in your collection?
Of course, I won't give it up. That is there in my collection.
Oh, I really want to see that.
Cream. Yeah, almond nourishing cream. We can see it. It will be here.
Okay, so this is the first product
Aroma
that you curated.
Magic. Yes, and I shall take it out and show you.
Yes.
So this is it. And you'll see the smell, the feel, the taste. Oh, it is really lovely.
I love your products, by the way. I'm a fangirl.
It's really lovely. And this is wonderful. It's a nourishing night cream.
Yeah, it's very moisturizing also, very hydrating.
Moisturizing, nourishing, and it is for anti-wrinkles. It's cream that really is wonderful.
And now I want you to just come with me and I want to see everything, what products you have, what ranges you have, and I want to talk about your books also. So let's go.
Come, let's go. Come.
सबसे पहले we are going to start with essential oils. तो वो कौन-कौन से essential oils है डॉक्टर कोचर?
ये blended oil है.
Okay.
ये बहुत अच्छा है स्किन के लिए, ठीक है?
तो मेरा स्किन ग्लो करने लगेगा?
और ज़रूर. आपका beautiful skin already, and ये नाम है beautiful skin.
Wow.
So कैसे यूज करते हैं? 2-3 ड्रॉप लेना. मैं दिखाएं for this hand and just see how it glows and smells. Oh.
This is too good.
Then Lang Lang. मेरा favorite essential oil है Lang Lang.
इसमें क्या स्पेशल है?
स्पेशल है, अभी आप मैं खोल के दिखाएंगे, ठीक है? Smell it first. Okay. Now I'm going
इसका
to use
aroma
this.
बहुत ज़्यादा strong है.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. Now
This is for hair.
Yeah, I'm going to show you how you can use it for your hair. Like
2
a
drops,
hair
2 to 3
perfume.
drops.
Two drops.
Okay.
As a hair perfume. Just do that.
Oh, this is a hair perfume.
After shampooing your hair and drying it, then just apply it like this. It'll give it a beautiful shine. इतना अच्छा shine हो जाएंगे. And smell देखो कैसे.
Wow, this is too good.
This is
Lovely.
this is very good, lovely, very very nice. Okay.
तो आज अरोमा मैजिक के प्रोडक्ट्स मुझ पे ट्राई हो रहे हैं, वो भी डॉक्टर ब्लॉसम कोचर से. वाह.
Now we did the beautiful skin, and I told you after that you can use a moisturizer. So this is the moisturizer. You wait. I'll
Yes.
just put a little like that. Okay.
So this is almond moisturizing lotion. It's a
Yeah.
body lotion, no?
It's a body lotion. It's a moisturizer even for your face.
बहुत ही अमेजिंग अरोमा है. आई नो, मतलब अरोमा इज समथिंग जो हम फील कर सकते हैं, देख नहीं सकते हैं, बट गाइज आई लव दिस. ओके, सो नाउ आई वांट टू आस्क यू वन थिंग. What was that one turning point in your career which actually made Aroma Magic a global brand, from local to global?
Okay, when we first started marketing, the first group that we marketed to was the Miss World. When the Miss World was
Which
held,
year?
it was right in the beginning. It was in 90 something. I'll just get you the year. It was marketed then. So they had run it there. Amitabh Bachchan was the one who was, the production was by him, and it was in Bangalore. That was the first one, and there we had this with all the Miss Worlds that came down.
Wow. So we can say that was the time जब Blossom Coacher एक brand
Yeah.
local से global बना.
Yeah, it went right through with that.
Okay, so now Dr. Kochar, I want to see what everything here, what all services.
Yeah, we'll do
let's
that.
let's
Come,
see the
let's go.
services. Come. Okay, let's talk about your books. Can you tell me about your books? What are they about?
Recently, I wrote this book called The Glow Getter's Guide to Everyday Skincare. This is a perfect DIY book from your kitchen. So this you can use and make all your recipes from your kitchen. So we have different kinds of recipes.
So Dr. Kochar, मुझे कोई ऐसा DIY स्किन केयर बताओ, या कोई ऐसा फेस मास्क जो मैं बना सकती हूँ जिससे मेरा स्ट्रेस भी चला जाए एंड आई वांट टू लुक ब्यूटीफुल आल्सो.
ठीक है, एक बहुत आसान वाला बताएंगे.
ओके, आसान वाला है.
Now, एक ही चीज़ है, वाटरमेलन है.
हाँ.
आपका छोटा छोटा पीस काट लो एंड देन एक अच्छा स्मैश कर दो.
And apply it directly?
No, मैं बताएंगे.
अच्छा. अच्छा.
मिक्स करो, फुल ऑफ मिनरल्स एंड एवरीथिंग. ये के ऐड करो, क्यों थोड़ा पैक ऐसे बनाना.
हाँ.
मिल्क पाउडर, देन आधा लेमन स्क्वीज करो, एंड देन आई एम गोइंग टू टेक एसेंशियल ऑयल. ये एसेंशियल ऑयल क्या मिलते हैं अभी? जैस्मिन. Jasmine is a wonderful essential oil. ये थोड़ा 2 drops, or you can put rose, or you can put lavender. Put 2 drops of that, nothing much. थोड़ा अच्छा मिक्स करके और पहले सफाई करें मुंह with cleanser or anything. And then apply this pack on face, neck, hands, and थोड़ा म्यूजिक लगाओ and आराम
रिलैक्स करो.
And then आप 20 मिनट के बाद निकाल दो. आपका फ्रेश, स्ट्रेस फ्री, बहुत ब्यूटीफुल हो जाए.
So आपका सीक्रेट मंत्र भी यही है?
ये है, यहाँ यूज करते हैं. ये सच्ची.
Great. Let's go inside now.
Come. So these are all studying. We have an academy along with the school, and of course we give them foreign certification also, because we have, this is the Blossom Kochar College of Creative Arts and Design, but we follow we have our concept of pivot point education for hair.
So if you have to give me any haircut, so what are the points on which you decide कि किसी के face पर कौन सा haircut you can give?
So one thing I feel hair is hair is a permanent accessory. And if you come to me for a haircut, the normal thing they'll say is, what do you say? Don't want my hair to be short.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
see? So what would I do is, I will give you a vertical layered cut, like this, and then they would do it, and then they would cut it like this. And
Like a
what would
layer.
happen? Yeah, and you will get layers everywhere without touching your length. Okay?
Wow.
And you've got a lovely face. We don't need to do too much to, change it. Otherwise, according to the face shape, according to the nose, according to if they've got a short neck or a turn. Now, if they have a short neck, we will, we will give them something that shows their neck and not just give them a cut like
Long
this, which
cut.
will make it even more like that. And that's what we teach them. It's called hair design, and we teach them how to design hair. So these boys and girls who pass out from here, especially Privet Point, all over the world, they are not just called hairdressers. They're called hair designers. So they design your hair for you.
So they are hair designers and
On
not
the
the
making.
hairdressers.
Yes,
So
that's
this
what
is the hair section, and what else we
now
have
we
in
have
the academy?
more. Yeah.
Yes.
This is the hair section where they teach the cutting and the other coloring and other things. Okay.
Come.
Yeah.
So finally we are in the main room, जहाँ पे actually ये अरोमा थेरेपी जो हम जिसकी बात कर रहे हैं यहाँ, जो अरोमा मैजिक का USP है, वो actually इस रूम में होता है, that magic. So tell me about this, how these aroma oils or essential oils, how do you apply it to this?
Yeah. Now again, we have the course that we have here. Again, we have a normal certification, which is a Blossom Culture certification. We have a CEDESCO, which is again a world body, and when they get the certification, they can go anywhere in the world and work. So we use these oils. So these cosmetics and these oils are used for your facial. That's why the smell is so divine in this
the
room.
smell, the whole
Yeah.
vibe
Yeah.
of this room is too good.
So we use
Too
aroma.
relaxing.
So aromatherapy is used for the face, for the body, and we mix it along with vegetable oils.
So
And the oils.
whenever I go for massages, whenever I decide to have that to release my stress,
Yeah.
to make my skin glow, I always get confused what to choose for me. So what is that one type of massage or any essential oils? You can tell me anything that everybody can take.
That they can use. You can use lavender.
Which can be my go-to massage,
Yeah.
I can say.
Lavender is one for de-stressing. So they will mix it with maybe almond oil, and they can use a little wheat germ, that's to give you that vitamin E, and they will use a little castor oil because castor oil really helps the skin also. So they'll mix it with that, and then they can give you, and they'll put the essential oil, maybe 2 drops. It'll depend on if you want a body, then it goes to much more because and then we'll massage you with the lavender essential oil. Also, it'll depend on what they're going to give you. They'll give you a blended oil, or they can give you a normal
The
oil.
normal
Yeah,
one,
yeah,
any one.
yeah.
Wow.
So-
Can we just
Yeah,
see
of
this?
course you can come. So then we have, so she's doing the ionotophorosis. That means
What is this?
this is with a galvanic. She's applying the gel which is going into the skin.
And what is this tool
Tophorosis.
called?
It's a galvanic. Ionotophorosis. That is the treatment, and this is the galvanic.
And this is for what? For the concern? For
But
which
her concern is she wants her skin to glow,
Okay.
and you can, and so she's using the special gel and oils and everything, and she's using this.
अरोमा एक ऐसी चीज़ जो दिखाई तो नहीं देती है लेकिन महसूस ज़रूर होती है. वैसे ही होते हैं कुछ लोग जो सिर्फ एक ब्रांड नहीं बनते बल्कि एक फीलिंग बन जाते हैं, और वही है ब्लॉसम कोचर. लोकल एजेंट्स का आज का ये एपिसोड आपको कैसा लगा मुझे कमेंट्स में ज़रूर बताएं. मैं आपसे मिलूंगी अगले एपिसोड में एक और बिजनेस लेजेंड के साथ. तब तक के लिए कीप वॉचिंग जी बिजनेस.